Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of my most aggressive and exciting strategy, live trading on pocket option as usual. So today we'll be placing 5-second trades using M30 for trend analysis and entering trades on the S30 time frame. I'll also show you how I apply martingale to recover losses fast. So if you're ready, are you ready? Wait. Just a friendly reminder about my Telegram channel. All the secret settings over there. So now we can go to the strategy. Let's jump in. So we're trading on the S5. As you can see, S5 expiration time, and we were trading on time frames S30 and S and M30. And also don't forget to put enable timer, we will need it. You can trade this strategy on your demo to try, or maybe smaller amount. Moving averages, let's go. So first we changed the EMA and period to 5, and I also changed the style, of course, because I don't like when my chart looks the same like moving average. And let's do the second one, also moving average, also EMA, but period is 10, so it will help us to see the signals to open the trades. The main thing, actually, we will see that the trend better with these two moving averages. So the main point to trade with the trend again, as usual. Okay, now let's pick the pair. You see that the crossing of two moving averages, this is a very important and strong signal, which show us that the trend go down or trend go up, and maybe it's reverse. This is the thing, but this is a highly important signal when the two moving averages crosses. So the one of the point of this strategy is see the patterns when it's not just cross. We need to find the moments between the cross or after cross, you know, and I prefer between the cross, when we see that two lines going to each other, and this is the perfect time. But we see this on M30. This is the main picture for us, M30, okay? So let's pick the pair. We check the picture on M30 and we trade on S30 with 5 seconds. Repeat again. Okay, here. Yeah, as you can see that it was the cross, and after this the strong downtrend. Sometimes it's cross, it's strong upward trend. Like here, for example. Here, sideways, skip it. Okay, here, oh, so strong, but we lose our moment. Here, sideways. Nothing special. Oh, here, downward after crossing. That's something what I told about. Okay. Yeah, this candle looks good, full body, orange. It's bullish trend forming. So yeah, let's check the volatility on S30. Yeah, strong movement here. Let's study it a bit more and open the first trade. So, as I said before, we opened the trade on the last 5 seconds on the S30 candle. And now we will do this. Just like I said, let's open. This is entry. Okay, it's a loss, so we instantly apply martingale. Always in the same direction, always in the first second. As you can see, we cover our losses. And That's the core idea. So we're trading inside a large candle for us, M30, and we trade on S30, trading 5 seconds. Moves, and it's really big one. Simple, but smart. Even my cat can understand the strategy I told you. So yeah, as you can see, again, we double check, the candle is strong, and we trade inside of this candle. Let's open another trade. Let's wait. 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 second open. Just like this. And we lose again. Martingale. Again. See? For the next candle. For the next candle, we use the same direction, of course, because this is the part of the strategy. Wait and sell. Boom, profit. Good. The thing is that crossover already happens, and we need to trade again, but don't be confused with these green candles, because we know the big candle is orange. So, last 5 seconds, wait, 2, 3, 1, open. And be ready. Be ready to make martingale at the same. Like you just, if you see that you lose, triple your bet. But follow the money management rules. Don't trade with the amount what you not can afford. This is important, guys. Okay. I want to open another trade here. Boom. This one is strong, good profit. Another one. Let's check. The candle still strong, full body, but as you can see, it's this M30 candle almost finished, and the cross of the lines very close. So we will finish our session soon. Let me make another couple of trades. Boom, another profit. Good. Almost 10k. I want 10k clearly today. Let me open another trade. Here, it doesn't matter which color this candle, because the main color is the color of M30 candle. And let's go. Not the 5 second trade. Okay, martingale immediately, as you can see what I'm doing. And you see how strong it's going. Woo! Not bad. Yeah, I think for today is enough. The power of multi-frame analysis plus the strategy of 2 moving averages, 5 and 10 periods, plus the secret trick with the last 5 seconds of every candle. Okay, guys, it's enough for trading session. Let me explain you the strategy again more clearly. Okay, guys, here's the setup. I use 2 exponential moving averages, EMA, as you know, one with period 5 and one with period 10. This helped me spot short-term trend, direction, and potential entry points. But the real signals comes from the M30 candle, the 30-minute time frame, as you know. If the current M30 candle is strong and trending, I wait for the confirmation on the S30 time frame at 30-second candle. Then I place a 5-second trade. Here as the secret tips. We place the trade on the last 5 seconds of the candle. If this trade will not go well, we will use martingale multiplicator on the first second of the new candle.